I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Thinkorswim account. Gather your driver's license, social security number, and bank routing and account numbers to begin verification online. Next, choose your account type and have employment and financial details ready for suitability questions. Follow the prompts to link your bank for funding and set preferences for margin or cash use. Finish by reviewing disclosures and electronically signing to activate your trading access. Start at the TD Ameritrade sign-up page and sign in or create credentials to access Thinkorswim. Carefully enter full legal name, address, date of birth, and social security number, then fill out employment and financial sections honestly for suitability. Upload clear photos of your ID and any requested documents, then link your bank by entering routing and account numbers for transfers. Watch for confirmation emails and allow short processing time to complete setup. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep making useful tutorials. Quick recommendation: I love the Oala water bottle for staying hydrated during long trading sessions. It's leak-proof and fits most cup holders, perfect for at-desk use. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want better focus and fewer refills. Now let's get back to the video. After account approval, fund your Thinkorswim account using ACH, wire, or mailed check to get trading started quickly. Decide between cash or margin permissions and review margin terms carefully to understand leverage and risk. Customize platform preferences like order defaults, chart layouts, and watch lists to match your trading style. Turn on two-factor authentication for security and review notification settings so deposits, trades, and alerts arrive where you expect them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.